Our Grange residents have peacefully placed signs at the front of their properties telling Telstra that their tower is not welcome near our homes. On Monday night, people decided it was okay to trespass on some of these properties, wearing hoods, wearing masks, carrying knives to tear down, vandalise and steal some of our signs. We're hearing from some of our residents now whom were most affected by these criminal acts.
Well, last night, I woke up sort of around 3:30 and then I heard the gate click shut. So I basically automatically jumped out of bed and looked through the shutters and I saw two blokes.
We heard the dog start to grumble and bark a few times, and I definitely heard steps, and I sort of heard the crumpling of the sign at the front. I can hear them, and the sign is down, and so we looked for a while and decided not to come out because we were sort of frightened to.
This morning, according to video footage we got, these banners were cut down by somebody who'd come onto our property here, and they've within metre and a half of our bedroom used a knife or box cutter or whatever to cut down both these banners.
We were disturbed early as the morning by our dog. She's very sensitive to noise, and so when I got up this morning, our poster, which we've had up there for quite a few weeks, was down. Now they had to come onto our property to get that down.
I sort of yelled at my husband, there's somebody at the front, and I ran and turned on the porch light and realised that our banner had been taken down or ripped off.
You don't often sort of have intruders come onto your property late at night and just violate it, and they're obviously carrying knives to slash our signage.
We've been here 23 years, we've never had anybody come on our property for any reason to do any harm to it.
We've lived here for 64 years. I've had a few little things stolen from the garden, usually around Mother's Day, but nothing like this.
She's pretty scared that somebody can come so close to our property, and because she knows my response is going to be to come out and confront them, and that's when we're going to have some trouble.
Don't go outside. A sign is not worth getting injured over. So it's very unnerving to say that at your own home.
It makes me feel uneasy. I feel unsafe.
Well, we're very nervous about it. I mean, what's going to be the next thing?
This is our third banner that we've put up. I was pretty adamant that we wanted to be vocal and to be noticed. We both feel that we don't want this tower in our residential area or anybody's residential area.
These are not good for our community, and the tower's not even up yet. Look what's happening here. We've got vandals running around destroying our property, coming onto our premises. We've got people walking around the neighbourhood with knives and box cutters or whatever they're using.
We feel that it's dividing our community. We've been a very close community.
They're not taking our voice and our concerns seriously, and this sort of stuff is happening in our very quiet and lovely environment.